Hello everyone, nice to see you. Well, this is a special video. It's all about Easter and Easter celebration. So we're going to learn a little bit about Easter. I'm going to tell you a story. So let's begin real quickly. Um, By the way, you're going to see me very little in here, but it's me anyways. Don't worry. Let's do this. How are you today? First thing I want to know, are you happy or sad or angry or so? How are you today? You can point with your fingers to the correct egg. How's the weather today where you are? Is it sunny or rainy or cloudy? How's the weather today? How's the weather? And what day is it? Is it Sunday or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday? Do you remember? What day is it? What day is it? Very important. Today I'm going to teach you some stuff about Easter celebrations in the United States and in England. So, things we do. We paint eggs. Egg painting, it's very important. We all do it and it's very fun, and you could do that at home as well, and you're going to enjoy it a lot. You can draw designs on your eggs as well. Beautiful. Egg race. You take a spoon, you put your egg on it, and you start running, and the first one to get at the end wins. It's very simple and it's very funny, and lots of eggs dropping. And this is egg rolling. You can use a spoon as well to help you roll the egg, and it's also a race, so you have to run very fast. For lunch, they eat fish, not red meats, but fish, white meat. See, we also do that in Chile, I think, don't we? And of course, egg hunting. Egg hunt. We put chocolate eggs in different places, and little kids or younger kids are supposed to go and find them in different places inside houses or in the gardens, and it's very fun. So, which of these activities do we do at home? Which ones do you do at Easter in Chile, and which ones you don't? And which ones would you like to do in the future? You have more ideas there, see? The things that you can do. Let's continue. I'm going to tell you a story, very beautiful story, about a rabbit. And it's called The Tale of Peter Rabbit. You probably heard of it before. There's a movie about it as well. I'm going to show you the characters before I start with the story. Good? So this is Peter Rabbit, very important in the story. The main character of our story, the hero of our story. And he's wearing a blue jacket, as you can see, and brown shoes on his feet. Can you see them? There. Brown shoes and blue jacket. Very important. This is his mother. This is Mrs. Rabbit, and she is a very nice person. She is a beautiful mother, and she also has more children. This is Mr. McGregor. He's a bad character. He's a bad man. He owns a garden, and it's the most important thing for him in the world. So he takes very much care of it. These are Peter's sisters. So we have Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. These are Peter Rabbit's sisters. This is the garden. This is Mr. McGregor's garden. Very important in the story. And as you can see, it's very big. And there are lots of places there with different vegetables and flowers and herbs. Important. This is a water can. And as you can see, there is a rabbit or someone hiding in it. Yes. These are sparrows. These are types of birds that fly. Also very important in the story. Good. Great. So, I'm going to show you the story. I'm not going to show it all to you because it's long, and I'm going to send you the link so you're supposed to watch it at home. But I'm going to explain some stuff to you. Good?
push so. Anyway, Mama said I could carry a basket. Mama, she pulled my ears.
Come.
So, who can you see there? Very important. Who can you see there? We have already Mrs. Rabbit there, the mother of Peter Rabbit, and we have the three sisters. We have Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. They're all there, and they all live in the hole of a fair tree. Can you see it? At the bottom of the tree there's a hole, and they live in there. See? Great. Let's continue.
That will do. Now, my dears, you may go into the fields.
And who's that? Who is that, mister? That's Peter Rabbit. That's Peter Rabbit. See, the blue jacket tells us. Peter Rabbit. You will notice he's very special.
Or down the lane. But don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Your father had an accident there.
He was put in a pie by Mrs. McGregor.
He was put in a pie by Mrs. McGregor. Now run along and don't get into mischief. I'm going out.
So, one very important thing that Mrs. Rabbit told Peter Rabbit and his sisters is not to go ever in life to Mr. McGregor's garden, because it's dangerous and something bad can happen. And their dad in that garden was turned into a pie, so they shouldn't go into there. Yes? Good. Important thing in the story. So, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail are good bunnies. So they listened to their mother, and they didn't go to Mr. McGregor's garden. Instead, they were collecting blackberries. Yummy blackberries. So they took their baskets and they started collecting blackberries, which is great. How about Peter? My goodness, what? That's not supposed to be done. That's dangerous. They told him. So Peter Rabbit anyways squeezed into the garden, and he's not going to do good things there. So it's going to be a problem, and you're going to figure out what happens in there. Lots of things happen in there. But the important thing is that we have an activity with this. When you watch and you listen to the story, you are going to go to the worksheets that I sent you, and you're going to look there for these pages. I have them here. Good. There. And you're going to create this project. So I sent you this. Can you see it? So these are parts of the story. All different parts of the story. You can print them or you can draw them with your hands. It's very easy to draw. And once you're ready, I want you to cut them with scissors. You color them and you cut them with scissors, and then you stick them into stones like this. See? These are stones. Yes, that's 6 weeks. And the cool thing about this is that then you can create the story, recreate the story. So you search for the stone that goes first, and then to the stone that goes second, and then to the stone that goes third, and you put them in order. Yes, I hope you have lots of fun doing this and that it results beautifully. I show you an example here. So these are the pictures that I sent you. So they are colored, cut, and sticked into stones, and then you can play with them. You can play with them and put them in order. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the story because it's a very funny and beautiful story. And you can watch the movie if you want to. It's called Little Rabbit. It's also a good movie. Try to listen to it in English, not in Spanish. And that's it. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful, beautiful Easter week and Easter weekend. See you on our next video. Bye bye. Kisses and hugs to everyone. That's it. Bye.